Today we'll be learning how we can buy a web hosting from Bigrock. Okay, if you haven't bought any domain, still you haven't got any domain, I would request you to watch my previous video in terms of how to buy domain and what all things it requires in buying domain. Okay, to do so, what are we going to do is we are going to come down to your browser. Okay, uh, then go down and type da360 .in slash okay uh, Bigrock Bigrock. Okay, click on enter. Now this means this link will be redirected to Bigrock website. If you see here on the top, uh, now it says that the coupon successfully applied for 25% on the purchase of 1 year of hosting, web hosting from Bigrock. Okay, now that means you're getting discount immediately using this link. How much? 25%. Okay, if you go down, why Bigrock? Okay, it provides you unlimited domains, disk space, bandwidth, and email based on the plan that you go on, with 99% uptime guaranteed with 24/7 technical support. Okay, usually Bigrock comes with my favorite cPanel software to manage all the files, which I really like it. Okay, and the other area is hassle-free 30 days money-back guarantee. If you don't like hosting, if you you don't want to host your website, you can always come back to Bigrock and tell that, okay, we don't want to I don't want to run any website. Please refund my money back. They are going to return you money, but it have to be within 30 days. Okay, so other than that, you can buy hosting from US and India. Presently, whatever the starter plans that we face it, if you go down further, it is basically the starter plans which cost you 59 rupees per month. But if you go for 10 years, not for 1 year. If you want to buy for 1 year, it will cost you somewhere around 149 rupees per month. Okay, similarly, it is only for single website. You get 5 email, 100 GB of bandwidth, and 20 GB of space. Okay, and location is US. You have advanced plans where each and every stuff is unlimited with unlimited emails, and the pro account host unlimited websites, unlimited space, unlimited transfer, unlimited emails at 399, that is 400 rupees per month. Okay, if you're going for an yearly plan, it will cost you 100 rupees more, that is 499. Okay, if you are running any of the CMS plan, you can always upgrade your plan to cloud hosting, which is the best hosting that you can go down and have it for your own website if your traffic is really high. Okay, here what you can do is you can come down and switch your plan to India. If means if you want to get India, you get you need to pay a little bit higher costs. But the problem is that the advantage is your website will be more faster in comparison with US server. Okay, however, I would rather go with US server. Then I'll come down and select my plan to 1 year. Okay, and click on select plan. Okay, now means Bigrock will ask you, do you have a domain or not? Okay, in my case, I have a domain. If you don't have a domain of your own, what you can do is you can say no, and you can buy your domain name. Okay, how do we buy domain name? You just click on no, it will redirect you, and it will take you how to just the proper process. Otherwise, you can watch my previous video how we need to buy domain names. Okay, now here what I do is, since I have already a domain, I'm going to click on S. Okay, now Google Bigrock is asking me, please add your existing domain name. My existing domain name is da360.in. Okay, that's my domain name. Now Bigrock is asking me, do you want to add this products or not? You just see this small tick mark here. Okay, now which I just unchecked it. Okay, you need to go down and uncheck them to so that you're not including this into your cards, which I don't really recommend you to buy it. If you want to, if you have more money, you can always go down and buy this services. Click on continue. and it will be taken to the next page where we can buy it. Even after means removing this, see, Bigrock is giving me this details on my side. What I can do is I can come down here, I can remove the uh, I can use this X mark to remove the items from my cart. Okay, now I don't want even code basic, I can remove this. I just need web hosting, which costs me somewhere around 1,788 rupees for a whole 1 year. Okay, at the cost of 149 rupees plus 25% of hosting this month. Okay, if you see here, if you see here, I got a discount of 447 rupees with a total net amount of 144 rupees plus taxes, which comes down to almost to 600 rupees. Okay, once if it is done, if you're good with it, then please click on next. Okay, now here it will ask you. See, the discount thing, anyone can get it, but the problem is always go ahead and create your new account. If you have an existing account, you can utilize it. Otherwise, go down and click on Bigrock, continue with your new means create an account. When you click on continue with an account, it's just a very simple task. Okay, now make sure that you are reading this particular area. Okay, it states that all stars marked fields are mandatory. If you see here, a full name, email, password, mobile, currency, zip code, and address has a red star mark next to it. That means whatever the red star mark that you see here, these are all mandatory and you need to fill it up. You can omit always GST, means GST ID, because it is not mandatory right now. Okay, just go down and start filling it up and create your account, and your account will be created in a minute and it will be forwarded to the payment option. Go down, pay whichever option you have it. If you can pay them via debit card, credit card, even remitting the money into their account and activating your account. Okay, that's it. It is very simple job that you need to do it since creating the videos, because whenever we are buying hosting, people will buy hosting even including site code and as well as code guard for site lock and code guard for their hosting, which is usually not required. Okay, if anything malware happens, or if you want to take backup or whatever it is, then you can come down and always go ahead with buying those services later on. But I would rather stay away from buying those services. I would rather happy buying Bigrock hosting rather than buying other services from them. So hope you enjoyed it. If you have any doubts in this topic of buying domains or hosting, okay, from Bigrock, please contact me. Okay, I'll be leaving the discount link in the description below. Okay, and this link will be updated on regular basis. Okay, where you can get not only for 25% discount. Sometime if Bigrock is running 50% or 55%, you will be using the same link to get the discount. But whenever you're using it, 100% for every month, 20 to 25% discount is guaranteed. Okay, saying that, I'm going to close my video. I'll talk to you with the next topic in my next video. Thank you. Enjoy. Keep blogging.